Hello guys and welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So fans of IzinganeZesthembu have made it clear that they dislike Tirelo, you guys, to the core. Now when Mpilo posted herself alongside Tirelo on her Instagram, the comment sections were set on fire with people expressing their dislikes towards her, you guys, towards Tirelo. Mpilo posted two pictures of her and Milo's baby mama and captioned them as happy girls are the prettiest. And she pinned comments saying, please don't be rude, realizing that people have decided to be mean in the comment section, calling Tirelo all sorts of names like Abu Rachel Kunudu and stuff, you guys. Now, people were saying that Tirelo must be the one who demanded to be posted too, because Mpilo recently posted Vuyokazi first on her Instagram, and they said that Tirelo, she too demanded to be posted. Let me not waste your time. Let's just check out some of those comments. Wempilo was ithulisa ngenkani. Umuhle Mpilo, don't let that one teach you her bad behavior. I also agree. Tirelo watena shame. Her attitude. Can she leave the show, please? Not Mpilo telling us not to be rude when she is standing eceleni komntu orude kunathi sonke la eSouth Africa. Umuhle ke wena Lwandle. This post was negotiated ngeke nje akukwazi. Umuhle Mpilo, andazi ke ngehashi elimhlophe eliceleni kwakho. I bet she complained that you posted Vuyokazi the other day. And then Mpilo responded, you guys, and said, you bet wrong, my sister. Another one wrote Rachel Kunutu. It's not make sure Ngaleso's Kokwana. And you guys, Tirelo just posted this on her Insta stories to express how she feels about the hatred that she has been receiving on the show. She said, I can't wait to hear y'all blaming me for whatever will be happening on episode 9. Kana lona lady small minds. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Also, like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet done so, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Bye.